Dream Animations!
To watch more videos, please subscribe.